Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you an easy way to disable Gemini in the Google Photos app in 2025, a complete step-by-step guide. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. Without wasting any time, I've already opened the Google Photos app. You can open it too. Now, press on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and go to Photo Settings. Then, press on Preferences. On this page, you'll find an option called Gemini Features in Photos. Tap on it. If you don't see it right away like on my phone, don't worry. I'll explain what to do next. After that, you should see 4 options. I'll explain each one for you. Number 1 is use Gemini in Photos that enables AI features to better understand your photos and videos. Number 2 is search with Ask Photos that allows you to search past photos and events using AI assistance. Number 3 is Gemini-powered Memories that provides summaries and narrations of memories using AI. Number 4 is Help Me Title that gives AI-generated title suggestions for your memories. Make sure to toggle all of these off. Now, if you don't see these features, just go to the Play Store, search for Google Photos, and make sure the app is updated. After updating, restart your phone, and it should appear. If you've successfully turned off Gemini features, comment down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.